Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use provided that in a sentence. Provided that means basharte ke, shart ye hai ke. One student yesterday asked me, "Sir, can I learn English in 6 months?" And I said, "Of course, you can learn English in 6 months, provided that you work hard, study hard, and talk to the people in English without any fear." So, provided that शर्त ये है कि आप 6 months में इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं बशर्ते के आप लोगों से बातचीत करें, कड़ी मेहनत करें और क्लास मिस ना करें, provided that you don't miss the class. So provided that means if only in this case या बशर्ते के, शर्त ये है कि. Provided that is a conjunction and the job of the conjunction is to connect two sentences together. So you might have noticed when I am using this, I am connecting two different sentences together. For example, you can learn English in 6 months provided that you work hard. So you work hard is another sentence and you can learn English in 6 months is the first sentence, and provided that is connecting both the sentences together. Many students get confused because they think provided is provide, which is a different word. Provide means intazam karna, but here this is not the case. So provided that is a conjunction here. It is not made up of the verb provide. It's totally different word. You can also use as long as for the same sense. For example, you can learn English in 6 months provided that you talk to the people in English. You can also say you can learn English in 6 months as long as you talk to the people in English and you keep learning and you don't miss the classes. So you can add one after another different sentences, and that means basharte ke shart ye hai ki. I think now you must have understood how to use provided that. Try making some more sentences. Let me come up with one more example. My son asked me to use my mobile phone for watching some videos, and he asked me, "Can I use your phone?" And I said, "Yes, you can use my phone provided that you don't watch a video for more than 10 minutes because I may need my phone in 10 minutes." So I told him, "You can watch the video on my phone provided that you don't exceed more than 10 minutes." Or you can also say some sentences like this: uh, you can use my bike provided that you don't drive rash, you don't do rash driving. So you can drive my car provided that you don't do rash driving. Or yes, you can take my pen provided that you return it back to me. So try making some more sentences like this using provided that in your sentence, and write those sentences in the comment below and I will look at it. If it is correct, I will let you know. If it is incorrect, I will let you know. So this is how we will keep on learning, provided that you keep watching my videos, and for that you need to subscribe this channel. And if you don't get notification for the new videos which I upload, then press the bell icon and you will get the notification. I can also say you will not get the notification provided that you press the bell icon. So this is how we use provided that. You can also use as long as in place of provided that. So try making some sentences, start learning today. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.